Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. This week is starting out really well with the job leads. I am hoping some of these will be helpful for you. Please leave in the comments anything that you are looking for. When I'm looking for job leads, I always take that into consideration, as I always want to be putting out job leads that are actually helpful to you and that you can apply for, not some crazy thing that requires 100 years of education, and my viewers don't have that. So if you have specific education under your belt, and if there's something specific that you are looking for, always leave that in the comments, because I am always searching for things that are helpful to my actual viewers. Now, if you don't mind, if you find this video or any of my videos helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up like button, because that gives me feedback on how I am doing. But let's just not waste any more time, so let's just dive on in. The company Book Nook is hiring a tutor success specialist, and this is for my United States viewers only. It says Book Nook is trying to close the early learning gap for children in grades K through 8, pairing dedicated tutors with proven technology to help teach them reading and math skills that they need to succeed. So Book Nook is hiring a team of virtual tutors to provide hundreds of school districts with reading and math support for their K through 8 students. The tutor success specialist will be on the front lines of managing email and Slack communications with thousands of Book Nook tutors. This position requires a person who's highly organized and has great written and communication skills. So this is a completely non-phone job. You'll be handling everything through email and Slack. So some of the primary responsibilities is to serve as a primary representative of the Book Nook brand to Book Nook online tutor teams by managing their email and Slack communications, responding to all inbound and outbound email and Slack communications in a positive and timely and helpful manner. So you'll be managing their email inbox, and your goal is to have the same day response. Business hours are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, and you need to be available to work regular evening support hours as well. You will proactively gather the information needed from cross-functional teams to deliver accurate information to the tutors related to hiring, onboarding, scheduling, and other tutor-related job inquiries. So they are looking for someone who has 3 years experience as a customer support specialist or a similar role managing email and online communication in a fast-paced, high-volume environment. Someone who has excellent written communication skills and interpersonal skills, because all support will be in writing via email, Slack, or their community platform. You need to be highly adept at using Gmail, Slack, and CRM software tools. You also need to be passionate about supporting educators. So this does not require any kind of degree. And as far as salary goes, it says they offer a competitive salary. The starting salary is $65,000 a year. You can live and work wherever you like within the United States. They do offer insurance, 401k, and paid time off. And as far as home office, they provide you with a free laptop, and you also get $130 a month stipend for home expenses. So you can use this to pay your internet or office supplies or anything like that that you would need, and that is every month. If you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I will have a new job lead coming at you very soon. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.